Let's make Japanese style potato salad. Thinly slice cucumber, carrot, onions, sprinkle some salt, mix it well and rest it for few minutes. Take a bowl, add boiled potato and mash it well. To this, add rice vinegar, salt, pepper powder, corn. Take a sieve, add the cucumber, carrot, onion and rinse it well. Squeeze out excess water and add it to the salad. Discard the water. Add chopped boiled eggs, Japanese mayo and mix it well. Original recipe has ham, but today I have not used. Mix well and serve cold. For detailed recipe, please visit my website www.SailajaKitchen.Org.